Welcome friends. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a custom module for the following position. So for position CB module position 00, we're going to bring in about us, but we're not going to state everything under about us. We'll have read more, and we use hyperlink to link it to the full article on about us. The same thing too in this position. We're going to use call it our services, and we'll just write a little and tell it to read more, and we'll link it to the full article section where the article is. We'll do the same thing for why choose us, and we'll also do the same thing for our mission / our vision. So that's what we're going to do. So how did I get this position? Remember, I told you that if you go to systems and you go to templates, site templates, here you preview. When you preview, you see the different positions that this template is all about. So this is the position I want to fill in all those things. So you can see CM module position 00, 01, 02, 03. So I want you to occupy this space. So let's start doing that. So I've already drafted what I want to be included in those positions. So I'm going to now execute it. So I'll go to systems and I'll go to site modules. And here I'll click new. So what I'm going to pick now is called custom module. So custom module is what I will use to create those module positions. This module allows you to create your own module using WSYS IYWG. That is what you see is what you get editor. So I'll click here. So it opens to the first one. So what I will now do will be to click on my text document, pick up the first one I have here. So this is called about us. It will appear on the home page, but you know that we have a menu for about us. So about us, so I will take this title here from here. Okay, I will cut off this title, Control X to cut. I will put it here. Then I will take this one up. Now you see where you have read more. Read more, we're going to put hyperlink. We're going to hyperlink it to the full article that we created that has something to do with about us. So I'll just copy this link. So what I'll do is I'll come here. Okay, I will highlight here and I will go to insert or edit links. So here I will type the URL. So the URL for the full article is this. So I'll paste it here. So once I've done that, I can write other information about us if you like. Then I can tell it to open in another window. So you have the option to tell it to open to current window or another window. Set another window, then I'll click OK. So I've inserted that link. Now the positioning now. So position is CM module position 00. So I'll come here and look for that position. Don't forget, you have to remember the thing we are using. This is the thing we are using. So I have to look for CA module position 00. This is it. CA module position 00. So I'll click that. Let me confirm. It's CB. As is CB module. CB module position 00. CB module position 00. So that is it. CB module position 00. So once I've finished doing that, I will click save and close. So the first one has been created. So I'll click on the second one. Then I'll do exactly the same thing. I'll click on custom module. And when I click on custom module, so this will go to position 01, CV module position 01. So I'll copy the whole of this. So here I'll paste this. So the title of this is our services. So I'll just do Ctrl X, then I'll do Ctrl V to paste. So our services. So you see, it's not giving the full story. So the link is here. So I will highlight here. After highlighting here, I'll click on insert link. Then I will bring in this link and I'll put it here. And this has to do with our services. I'll tell this to open in a new window. I'll click OK. So that link has been inserted. I'm taking this one out. So when once clicked here, you open to the full article on our services. Then position now, I'll go to position. Then I'll look for CB module position. CB module position 01. That is it. Then I'll click save and close. So we finished two, remaining two to go. So this one is why did you choose us? Why choose us? Or why you need to choose us. So again, I'll click on new. I'll go to custom module. Custom module. So I will paste this here. Then the title is Control X. Why did you choose? Why choose us? Then I'll take this one up so that there won't be space. Then I'll check here. I'm still going to do the link. So this is CB module position 02. CB module position 02. Then here I will highlight this. Okay, let me copy this. Cut this. Then I will highlight this. Then I'll paste that here. So this one is what title is why choose us. Then I said it should open in a new window and I click save. So one more to go. So I'll save that. Then I'll just copy the last one. This one has something to do with our mission and our vision. So I'll copy the whole of this. Then I'll go to new and I'll go to custom HTML. Then I'll paste this here. So here I will cut this one out and I'll paste this here. Then here I will take this one here and I'll cut this. I'll highlight here and I'll insert this link, paste it. Then this is our mission / our vision. New window and click save. Then here I will now put CB module position 03. So I've gotten all that. Then I'll now click save and close. So I've gotten all my custom modules. So let's see how it's appearing. So I'll just click here. So when I click here, you can see they are all appearing. So this is how it's appearing. So we have about us, we have our services, we have why choose us, and you have our mission on this. So if I want to read more about this, I'll just click here and it takes me to the page that I have. Okay, so you notice, so it takes me to the about us page. But you notice that this module is appearing everywhere. So we're supposed to put it only on the home page. So let's go and correct that. So we'll now come back here. So we'll start with the custom module about us. So I'll click on about us. Then we'll have to look for menu assignment. Where should it be? Not in all pages, only on the pages selected. It should be appearing only on the pages selected. So what's the page? I want it to only on home page. So I'm deselecting all this. So it's only on home page. Then I'll click save and close. So I'll do the same for all the other ones. I'll go to our services. And under our services, I will type under menu assignment. I don't want it to appear on all pages. I want it to be only on home page. So I'm deselecting all this. Then I'll click save and close. So what is remaining now is why choose us. We go to menu assignment, only on pages selected. So I'm taking all this one out. Then I will now click on save and close. Then finally I will do our mission and our vision. So here again, I will do this. But there's something I want you to understand here, only on pages selected. You see, if you remember the bootstrap that you were taught in HTML class, you will notice that the total width that you have on your web page is 12. So that means if you have four sections, let me rephrase this. If you have four sections as shown here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and if the total width of this is 12, that means each of these are occupying a division space of 3, 3, 3, and 3. That's 3 times 4 is 12. So, but if I take out one, let's assume that I don't want this one here. So these three will collapse to fill up that total width of 12. For example, if I come around here and say I don't want the nation to appear, that means I don't want to use this position 03. Then look at what will happen. So these other two these other two are now occupying this, and this space is empty. Put something else there. So, but let me return it back. So I'm bringing it back, and 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 we have it there. So that's something you can do, you know. So our pages is coming out well. Then the next thing I'm going to show you is how to remove this home from here. So let me take you through it.